Ever pondered how dinosaurs, the most gigantic creatures to have ever walked our planet, came into existence? Well, the story takes us back to the Mesozoic era, roughly 230 million years ago, a period that witnessed the birth and evolution of these awe-inspiring creatures. Dinosaurs came in all shapes and sizes, from the compact chicken-sized Compsognathus to the towering colossal Argentinosaurus, which stretched up to a staggering 120 feet in length. These tremendous variances in size and form were a testament to the diverse, ever-changing environmental conditions of the era. The Mesozoic era, with its warm climate and abundant vegetation, created the perfect cradle for the evolution and growth of dinosaurs, allowing them to thrive and dominate the planet for nearly 160 million years. The dinosaurs' epoch, the Mesozoic era, saw the rise and fall of these magnificent beasts, carving an indelible mark on Earth's history. So how did these creatures evolve over millions of years, and what adaptations allowed them to thrive? Well, dinosaurs were an incredibly diverse group, ranging from the size of a chicken to titans stretching nearly 100 feet long. Natural selection drove their evolution, favoring traits that improved survival and reproduction. One key adaptation was bipedalism. Many dinosaurs evolved to walk on two legs, freeing their hands for catching prey or foraging. And let's not forget the feathers. Initially, feathers may have provided insulation, but over time they evolved to serve other purposes, from camouflage to display to flight. Speaking of flight, some dinosaurs evolved into bird-like creatures with aerodynamic feathers, hollow bones, and a wishbone structure, ultimately developing the ability to soar through the skies. These adaptations were not just mere transformations, they were survival strategies shaped by nature over millions of years. Yes, dinosaurs were truly masters of evolution and adaptation, a testament to the power of natural selection. But how did these formidable creatures, which ruled our planet for over 160 million years, meet their end? The most widely accepted theory is that an asteroid, roughly 6 miles in diameter, slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. This catastrophic event would have caused devastating shockwaves, immense tsunamis, and a global winter, leading to a swift and brutal end for the majority of dinosaur species. Imagine a world changing overnight, forests turning into barren landscapes, and the once dominant dinosaurs becoming a fading memory. This sudden extinction reshaped the course of life on Earth, paving the way for mammals to take the center stage. But don't be too disheartened. Dinosaurs aren't entirely extinct. In fact, every time you see a bird flitting about in your backyard, you're seeing a living descendant of dinosaurs. Yes, that's right. Birds are the modern-day dinosaurs, a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. Even though dinosaurs perished millions of years ago, their legacy lives on, not just in the fossil record, but also in the skies above us, in the form of birds.